In this concise but comprehensive video, I'll walk you through 3 different methods for adding arcs to your schematics, symbols, footprints, and PCBs. Here, you can see a schematic featuring 6 sample arcs, each with unique properties. I'll now demonstrate how to use each of the 3 techniques to create arcs. Let's begin by clearing the current schematic. To add an arc, ensure the Add ribbon group is visible. Then click the Add Arc button in the Graphical Shapes group. You'll notice 3 distinct buttons representing the 3 arc creation methods. The first method starts by defining the center point, followed by the start and end points of the arc. Click the first button, position the cursor where you want the center of the arc, and left-click to set it. Next, move the cursor to the desired starting point and left-click again. Finally, move to the endpoint and click once more. You can press the Tab key to reverse the arc's direction. When you're satisfied with the shape, left-click to finalize it. Now, let's explore the second method. This technique begins by defining the start point, followed by the end point, and then the center. Click the second button, position the cursor at the starting point, and left-click. Next, move to the endpoint and click again. Finally, set the center by moving the cursor until the arc forms the desired shape. Remember, pressing Tab reverses the arc's direction. Once it looks right, click to complete it. Lastly, let's look at the third method, which involves defining 3 points the arc must pass through. Click the third button, move to the first point, and left-click to set the start. Then continue shaping the arc through 2 more points, left-clicking each time to build the arc step by step. That's it! Now you know 3 effective methods for adding arcs to your designs. I strongly recommend practicing this by opening a new project and experimenting with adding arcs yourself. It's a great investment of your time. You'll get faster, more confident, and save time on future projects. Plus, it can be surprisingly fun. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.